read, but I'm going to weigh all of them one after the other. 10 simple ways to make your broilers grow big and even in equilibrium. They will look alike, of the same size. This can easily happen if you can take these 10 steps. And at the end, I will weigh broiler with this scale for you and weigh maybe sample of 10 or 20 of them. That 1. Start with healthy chicks. Strong chicks grow better and faster. If you are making selection of the breed of broiler, don't look at the carton. Consult a very good supplier or an expert to give you the best breed of broiler to rear so that you get equilibrium and uniform growth. It will be difficult for someone to pick or to make selection unless with that person have a scale. 2. Give them enough space. Growing stops from chicks once they are overcrowded in any livestock at all. Is it aquaculture, fish farming? Is it poultry, any type of birds, broiler, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, and rest of them? Is it four-legged animals, goat, pig, cow, sheep, guinea pig, rabbit, and the rest of them? Once they are overcrowded, their growth stops. Feed them the right food. If you're a poultry farmer or a livestock farmer, you should know the particular feed that is meant for each of the breed and species and the right time and age to give them that particular feed. So giving them the appropriate feed is very important at the right time and at the right age. Make clean water always available. If you want to get equilibrium, growth, and weight. Dirty water makes them sick and slow in growth. Control the temperature. Make sure their pen is completely open always, most especially during the hot season. Give them adequate fresh air, cross ventilation. Let their cage, if you're using the cage or their pen, be widely open. Let there be fresh air so that there be nothing like accumulation of ammonia that can easily infect them. Use bright and even lighting. Station lights in different places. If you don't have constant electricity in your area, please, there is solar system right now. Go and use solar system. If you don't have solar system, use battery, direct current, and make sure they have light always so that all of them will see at the same time. If they run to an area where there is light, they are going to be overcrowded in that particular area and it's going to affect their feeding, which will also affect their growth. So you can't get this even growth, this equal growth we are looking about. You can't get them. Watch as I'm talking. I'll be showing you some video, and at the end I will still show you the measurement, the scaling of some of these birds. You see that they look equal. Now the next one is check them for sickness daily. Pick samples. If you are using a very big pen, please go around the pen. Check the ones that are not smart, the ones that are not moving well. Pick samples of them and check them to make sure they are always healthy. Separate weak birds. Separation is very important. Those ones that are not growing at the same speed, put them aside from others. Give them separate food so that they will be able to, because the ones that are healthy will always push them out from the feed. And most of the times, once they squat, the heavy ones will go and march on them. Most especially, you may lose those ones. And if you don't lose them, they will make them wicked so that they will not be able to eat. Clean their house regularly. A clean house keeps them healthy and growing always. Weigh them every week at least. You can still weigh them every 3 or 4 days. Great measurement, their growth rate to compare with their age. because if you are feeding your bird at 3 weeks, you should be getting 800 gram to 900 gram, if possible 1 kg in 3 weeks. So at least before the 4th week, you should be having 1 point something kg, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, depending on the feed formula you are using. Please, let's watch this our scaling. Watch till the end so that you get the best. Watch from number 1 till the end. As you are watching, use your pen and record their weight. At the end, add all and divide it by the number of birds you count. Then you get the average weight of these particular broilers. Thank you for watching this video. Let's weigh them. Please make sure you share this video to reach others. If this is the first time of coming across our channel, please do your right thing and subscribe. Give this video a thumb up. Many of you watch, you don't comment, you don't share, and you don't like. It's not a good practice. For someone to give you idea of how to run your poultry and livestock business, you should encourage that person by liking the video so that the network will be able to share this video to reach more farmers. Now watch, this is a scale now. Watch this scale now. I've on this scale. You can see it. This scale is on now. Watch it. Have you seen it? I'll play this particular bird here now. Have you seen this bird? You may not see what the scale will read, but I'm going to weigh all of them one after the other. Have you seen it? I'm going to weigh. This bird is 3 weeks. 3 weeks today. 3 weeks. Yes, you can see the weight. It's about almost 955 grams. But let me weigh them on a flat ground so that you'll be able to have an idea of what 3 weeks broiler is giving you. If this bird gets to 4 weeks, it's getting up to 1 point something kg. Now let's weigh them so that we'll see what you have. Share this video to reach more. And finally, use good probiotic. You can see this. This is our own probiotics. This probiotic is superb. It's an organic extract from different plants. It does wonders. This is what we are using to keep these broilers we're seeing. All these broilers are not just growing on their own. And this is purely manufactured by me. It's not, you can't see it in the market. It is properly sealed and beyond adulteration. You can see it. We sell directly to the farmers themselves. So nobody can adulterate it. Because if we send it to the market, they are going to cut it into 2 and pour water and dilute it and make extra money. And that will do what? Do what? Reduce the name and the authenticity of this particular probiotic. It's purely produced. You see them? See there? Are you seeing it? So if you need it, drop it on the comment section that you need this. We're going to locate you wherever you are. In as much as there is air, wherever you live. In as much as there is sun, wherever you live. In as much as there is earth, wherever you live. We are going to locate you to send this to you so that you get it. See it.